guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything that I purchased from the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. Today is the last day of this sale, so in case you guys are interested, please do place in your orders today itself because कल से ये amazing sales and discounts आप लोग को नहीं मिलेंगे. By the way, I'm super close to 1000 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification icon right next to it and show me your support. We're super close to 1000 subscribers and I just can't hold my excitement, you guys. I mean, once we cross 1000 subscribers, I'm gonna bring Q&As and I'm gonna make this channel a little more personal and share so much with you guys. Now for today's video, I have quite a lot of hair care products, some makeup and an amazing fragrance product that I want to share with you guys. So I really hope you're going to enjoy this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now, first up, I have an internet viral product. It's almost like the internet influenced me to buy this and I don't regret buying this product one bit because it's been working wonderfully for me. I'm talking about this shampoo from L'Oreal. This is their Hyaluron Pure 72 Hours Purifying Shampoo, which comes with salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid. Now, this specifically is for your oily roots and your dehydrated lens. So basically, अगर आपका स्कैल्प बहुत जल्दी ऑयली हो जाता है एंड जो आपके हेयर के एंड्स है ना, बेसिकली जो लेंस है वो अगर बहुत जल्दी डिहाइड्रेटेड एंड ड्राई एंड फ्रिजी हो जाते हैं, देन दिस शैम्पू इज गोना सूट यू परफेक्टली. नाउ एज पर माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग, मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव ऑयली रूट्स एंड डिहाइड्रेटेड लेंस. अगर आप उस कैटेगरी में नहीं हो देन यू आर सुपर लकी, बट मैं तो भाई हूँ उस कैटेगरी में. आई गेट ऑयली स्कैल्प लाइक ऑन द थर्ड डे after my hair wash and I tend to get, like frizzy lens also, like dry and frizzy lens also. So I am absolutely loving this. This has a very pleasant fragrance just like all other L'Oreal shampoos and it's so gentle on your hair. बहुत अच्छे से आपके scalp को भी squeaky clean कर देता है and you can actually feel your scalp not getting oily that fast and you can also feel the hydration like on your hair ends. I will still suggest you guys to use a hair conditioner or a hair mask after this shampoo. Like just don't depend on this shampoo for keeping your lens hydrated, but individually also it does a fabulous job. इसका इससे छोटा एक साइज आता है, इससे भी बड़ा एक साइज आता है. So I will definitely recommend buying the छोटा वाला first and trying it out. Once you like the smaller size, you can always upgrade and buy the bigger versions. But yes, for trying, I will definitely suggest कि आप छोटा वाला पहले try करो. In my case, I usually have never unliked or disliked a L'Oreal shampoo. So I was sort of confident that I'm going to like this one as well, and that is exactly how it worked out. I love this one. It's in this gel consistency. It's not in a creamy consistency. And like I said, बहुत ही अच्छे से मेरा scalp clean हो जाता है and I don't feel that dryness and frizziness in my hair lens also. So I'm very happy with this shampoo. I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing this again and I got a very good offer on this. I got a 25% off. So this particular bottle that I have is a 340 ml variant and its MRP है 469 rupees and I got this one for rupees 352, which I think was an amazing deal. Alright, next up I went in for this compact powder from Lakme. This is their Extraordinary Compact. इसको पहले I guess wet and dry compact के नाम से Lakme used to sell. So they've changed the packaging and they've also changed the name. But I've used this product like before the revamp. I have used it and I used to love it back then and I still love it because this is the powder जिसके मदद से मैंने आज अपना face set किया है and you guys can see मेरा makeup कितने अच्छे से settle down हुआ है, कितने अच्छे से set हुआ है. Now this is a 2-in-1 product. So this basically works as a foundation as well as a compact powder. Of course, when you wear this, don't expect it to work like a proper full coverage foundation. No, it will not work like that. It is only for those days when you're running late, या फिर in a day-to-day busy schedule, you will really make good use of such a product, which literally gives you the feeling of wearing a foundation as well as setting it like a compact powder. And this one is very lightweight on the skin. आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि आपने कुछ apply किया है अपने skin पे. बहुत lightweight है and this comes with SPF 17. Which I think is ignorable because SPF 17 is literally nothing for our Indian weather. So आप लोग को हमेशा SPF 50 with PA 4 times plus अप्लाई करके ही रखना चाहिए आपके स्किन पे, एंड उसके ऊपर if you use this well and good, but don't just rely on this. Always wear a sunscreen. This is what the product looks like. It opens up like this. So first you have a mirror in here, and there is the product. And इसको भी आप थोड़ा सा और open करोगे तो इसके नीचे आपको ये puff मिलेगा, which is a pretty good quality puff. Okay. इस particular compact को अप्लाई करने के लिए ये particular sponge जितना अच्छा काम करता है, दूसरा कोई भी ब्रश या स्पंज उतना अच्छा नहीं काम करने वाला है इन माई व्यू, बिकॉज आई पर्सनली लव अप्लाइंग दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्पंज. इससे बहुत स्मूथली अप्लाई हो जाता है. नाउ आई एम इन द शेड 01 क्लासिक आइवरी, एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज यूज दैट पर्टिकुलर शेड फॉर माई स्किन टोन, एंड बहुत ही अच्छे से आई थिंक इट वर्क्स फॉर मी. Of course it is a little lighter than my skin tone, but मुझे ना वो oxidized वाला feeling मेरे face पे at least अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I don't think it suits me at all. But if I go for my shade or maybe 1 to 2 tones lighter, I feel like I look better on camera or in person. But that oxidized वाला look, I don't think I can pull off. So like you guys can see, it's very lightweight and बहुत ही अच्छे से smoothly आपके skin पे blend हो जाएगा seamlessly. So I love this particular compact powder, and you guys will not even believe the kind of deal I cracked for this. इसका MRP 900 something है, and I got this for only rupees 439. Oh my god. I got a 55% off for this compact powder, and I am absolutely in love with this. Now these days I have been absolutely loving blushes, and I think blushes are the it makeup product right now, which are in trend. Everybody loves blushes. Everybody is wearing blushes. So I went in for this Faye Beauty blush in the variant Witty. Now this is what the packaging looks like. I found it super cute, and it is very portable. You can quickly just put it in your handbags and re-wear it whenever you want to. Now this blush is what I am wearing on my skin today, and you can see that it has a very natural finish. It does not look artificial at all, and I don't appreciate blushes that are too popping or like too bright. I do not like it. Now of course it depends on the quantity जो आप पहन रहे हो. आपने बहुत ज़्यादा लेके बहुत ज़्यादा लगाया तो वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगेगा. But I took it in a moderate quantity and I wore it, and I think it looks so nice on my skin tone. I have picked this up in the shade Witty, which is a very bright pink color. This is what the shade looks like. I wanted to do a swatch for you. Like, look at that. Oh my god, it's such a natural and gorgeous pink shade. I so love this shade. बहुत अमेजिंग शेड है. सो येस, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन माई स्किन. मैंने ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाया है, बट येस आई हैव पुट इट देयर, एंड आई थिंक इट्स लाइक द ऑप्टिमल अमाउंट, एंड मुझे इतना ही पसंद है. आई डोंट लाइक इट लाइक टू लाउड on my face. So yes, I absolutely love this particular blush. This has a very serum like application, like you can literally blend it with your fingers, which is exactly what I have done. Because I am not a very big fan of makeup brushes. Like उनको use करो, फिर धो, फिर maintain their hygiene and all that. Traveling के time पे अलग से उनको carry करके लेके जाओ. So I try using like minimal application products, and I think brushes are not my thing, honestly speaking. So I've blended in the blush with my fingers today, and it is such a serum like application. It was very seamless and smooth when I was like blending it out. And इसमें ना hibiscus, magnolia and chamomile extracts है, which makes it a very hydrating and nourishing kind of a blush, which I am absolutely loving. मैं बहुत दिनों से बहुत अच्छी तारीफें सुन रही थी about Faye Beauty blushes, and I finally have one of them, and I'm absolutely loving this one. Now इसका MRP है rupees 597, but I got it for rupees 499. I'm going to of course mention the actual prices and the sale prices on the screen for your reference, and all of these products will be linked in the description box below. All right, moving on to the next product. Now I style my hair, like I straighten my hair with a straightener at least 2 to 3 days a week. I generally try and stick to 2 days, but कभी-कभी 3 days भी हो जाता है. Like I style during the weekdays, and then during the weekends भी एक दिन मैं style कर लेती हूँ. Now it's very important to use a heat protectant spray, and I was looking to find a good one. And जो मैंने spray pick up किया है ना Nykaa से, this had very good reviews, and this actually is in the best seller category as well. So I've picked up the Streaks Heat Protect Spray for hair protection up to 250 degrees. This is what the packaging looks like. Now this literally helps reduce hair breakage reduce frizz and also adds a shine to our hair. And this is absolutely non-sticky because I've used certain heat protectant sprays in the past and वो ना बहुत sticky feel होते थे बाल में, तो hair wash करके अगर मैं वो उनको लगाती थी तो मेरे बाल अलग ही स्टिकी फील होते थे एंड आई डोंट एंजॉय दैट फीलिंग एट ऑल. आई मीन इफ आई एम टेकिंग एफर्ट्स इन वॉशिंग माई हेयर I would not like a product to make it sticky again. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is non-sticky and this has a very pleasant smell. Like this legit works like a hair mist also, which is another like it girl product these days, you know. This adds a beautiful fragrance to your hair. So yes, you guys can definitely try this one out. This one was already very inexpensive. Like iska price I think कुछ 240 or 250 के आसपास है and I got this for rupees 224, which was an amazing deal. It has 100 ml of spray in here and it's gonna last me for many days. So it turns out to be a very inexpensive product and it's very nourishing and has a beautiful smell and is enriched with the goodness of jojoba oil. Next up is another hair care product. I picked up the Plum Coconut and Peptides hair mask, which helps strengthen your hair, gives your hair that shine and moisturizes and deeply conditions your hair. Now this comes with shea butter and it basically smells of coconut milk and vanilla, and this is in a pure creamy consistency. I love using this hair mask and I feel like this really moisturizes my hair and gives it that shine, and of course it feels really smooth after using this particular hair mask. Iska price around 600 hai and I ended up paying around rupees 500 for this. So yes, it's a very nice hair mask, but if you ask me, I would like to be absolutely honest with you all. I don't like to hide these things from you guys. With my honesty, I would like to tell you that I personally prefer the ultra smoothing hair mask from Bare Anatomy, and I also like lavender and argan oil hair mask from Love Beauty and Planet more than this particular hair mask. But I don't mind it, it's not bad. It has a very good smell and it's very creamy, very nice to apply and everything. But I think the end results that those two other hair masks have given me, it's not even close. But I don't mind it. Ye khatam ho jayega, I will go back to those. I was just trying out new products to review for you guys, but you don't have to waste your money. So yes, I think it's a good pick, but not the best one when it comes to hair masks. Alright, next up I picked up a lipstick from the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Resistance range. I picked this up in the shade Worth It. I think it's 601 Worth It, and it happens to be Alia Bhatt's favorite shade, and I have seen so many influencers wear it, swatch it, so I was really pumped and excited to get it for myself. Now this one will particularly suit medium to fairer skin tones. Let me show you guys a swatch really quickly. This is the swatch, you guys. Look at that. It has such a nice nudish finish, and look at that, it's already settling into this matte finish, which is why the name. Now generally जब हम liquid lipsticks की बात करते हैं ना, it always feels like कि बहुत ज़्यादा drying होंगे, uncomfortable हो जाएंगे कुछ देर बाद. But इसके केस में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है because this comes infused with hyaluronic acid, which makes it very hydrating on our lips. आप लोगों को बिल्कुल भी dry नहीं feel होने वाला है. In fact today I am wearing this shade, but I am not wearing this as is, because if I wear this shade as is ना, मुझे personally ऐसा लगता है कि it washes me out completely. So I generally have to balance it out with a darker shade, like a dark pink shade. So I wore a Maybelline का dark pink shade lipstick. I will put that also नीचे, मैं उसको नीचे link कर दूँगी. And then उसके ऊपर मैंने इसको layer किया है. This comes with a transfer proof formula, like a transfer proof and a smudge resistance formula, and it's a really nice lipstick. I can see why Alia Bhatt loves it so much, why she loves this particular shade so much. But yes, like I said, it I feel washes me out, but you guys can try it out. I mean, if you are fairer than me, then it will definitely look bomb on you. So like I said, for medium to fair skin tones आप ये try कर सकते हो, and for people with deeper skin tones ना, इस particular range में और भी बहुत सारे shade options आप लोगों को मिल जाएंगे. So do check out the swatches on different YouTube channels, and yes, I love this. It is a very creamy formula for a liquid lipstick, which I absolutely adore. I currently don't recall the price that I paid for it, but I think its MRP is rupees 999. I did get a very good deal on this one as well. इसका link भी मैं नीचे mention कर दूँगी. It's a very recent launch, but it's already a best seller product on Nykaa, which goes to show कि how amazing the product is and how the target audience is loving it. So yes, you guys can also check it out for yourselves. Now I have legit saved the best product for the last. एक ही चीज़ मैंने order किया था from Nykaa Luxe, which happens to be Burberry Goddess. Oh my god, I wanted to pick this up for so many days now, and I finally picked this up. This is such a beautiful gourmand fragrance with like focus on vanilla and lavender. अगर भगवान ने मेरे लिए कोई fragrance बनाया है ना, तो it has to be this, because अगर आप मेरे को follow करते हो for some time now, you guys must be knowing कि I keep raving about lavender and vanilla as a fragrance. Lavender and vanilla. I keep talking about these two notes because I literally love these two notes when it comes to like fragrances. Absolutely suits its name, like goddess. Oh my god, you legit are gonna feel like a boss lady, like a go-getter once you apply this. You can wear this to work, you can wear this for parties. If you want to stand out in a crowd, I think Burberry Goddess is gonna be your fragrance. Now vanilla also now are of many different types. Like some vanilla fragrances trigger that migraine, but this one is a very sweet and rich vanilla fragrance, so it's gonna hit absolutely the right notes for you guys. Now this one is the 30 ml packaging. This one is the second smallest size. You have a smaller size than this, which I think is the 10 ml variant. This one is the 30 ml variant, and its MRP is rupees 4,400, but I was lucky enough to get it for rupees 3,700. कुछ इस पे भी सेल चल रहा था, and I added some additional coupons and everything, and I got this for rupees 3,700, which I absolutely love. I think it's worth each and every penny. It's such a good fragrance. I had heard so much about it, but until and unless I sprayed it on myself, I didn't realize it is that good. I think this is gonna be my favorite fragrance, my signature fragrance. I think, yeah, I love this, and wow, I'm just so lucky to have it, and I absolutely love this particular EDP. If you guys are fans of lavender and vanilla, like you enjoy gourmand rich fragrances and you want to stand out in a crowd, like I said, and if you have this kind of a budget, do not think twice, you have to order this one. Alright you guys, those were all the products that I picked up from Nykaa Pink Summer Sale this time. I know I didn't pick up too many products. There were a few makeup products, there was this amazing fragrance, and quite a lot of hair care products, but other than that, I didn't pick up loads and loads of things like just for the sake of spending money. मुझे कुछ चीज़ों की genuinely requirement थी, which is what I purchased. And I know इस वीडियो में कोई skin care and body care products मैंने नहीं दिखाया आप लोगों को, but yes, I do make a lot of different videos on skincare and body care, तो आप मेरे बाकी भी videos check out कर सकते हो, and I will bring more videos in the future. Be absolutely certain of that. Like I said in the intro, I will say it yet again that we are super close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't leave without subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell notification icon so that you get notified each and every time I upload a new video, you guys. I'm going to see you very, very soon in my next video. Until then, do let me know what other videos you would like to see on my channel. नीचे comment कर देना. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.